Welcome to I Love English TV.
أتيت في الوقت المحدد.
You are just in time. You are just in time.
أنا أضيع وقتي.
I'm wasting my time. I'm wasting my time.
أعدك.
I promise. I promise.
أقسم بالله.
I swear by Allah. I swear by Allah.
اتبعني.
Follow me. Follow me.
سأكون هناك.
I will be right there. I will be right there.
أنا لست على طبيعتي.
I'm not myself. I'm not myself.
اتبع قلبك.
Follow your heart. Follow your heart.
سوف لن تصدق ما حدث لي اليوم في العمل.
You'll never believe what happened to me today at work. You'll never believe what happened to me today at work.
أنت محترف جدا.
You are very professional. You are very professional.
كيف هي أمورك؟
How's everything? How's everything?
هذا كل ما أحتاجه.
That's all I need. That's all I need.
يمكنك فعلها.
You can make it. You can make it.
تمالك نفسك.
Control yourself. Control yourself.
إن لم تتعب فلن تجني شيء.
No pain, no gain. No pain, no gain.
لا تعتمد علي.
Don't count on me. Don't count on me.
لقد قمت بعمل جيد.
You did a good job. You did a good job.
لديك حس فكاهي جيد.
You have a good sense of humor. You have a good sense of humor.
أنا مسرور جدا بعملك.
I'm very pleased with your work. I'm very pleased with your work.
لا تفعليها.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
لا تزعجني.
Don't bother me. You don't bother me.
لقد قمت بعمل جيد.
You did fairly well. You did fairly well.
كيف يمكنني الوصول إلى هذه المحطة؟
How do I get to this station? How do I get to this station?
أتمنى لك أمسية سعيدة.
Have a nice evening. Have a nice evening.
أتمنى لك أمسية سعيدة.
Have a pleased evening. Have a pleased evening.
يدي تؤلمني.
My hand hurts. My hand hurts.
ظهري يؤلمني.
My back hurts. My back hurts.
بالتأكيد يبدو جيدا.
Sure, sounds good. Sure, sounds good.
ماذا تسمي هذا؟
What do you call this? What do you call this?
ماذا يعني ذلك؟
What does it mean? What does it mean?
في أي وقت تغلق المحل؟
How late are you open? How late are you open?
يا له من طقس سيء.
What a terrible weather. What a terrible weather.
بدأ لعابي يسيل.
My mouth is watering. My mouth is watering.
هذه كذبة بيضاء.
This is a white lie. This is a white lie.
آسف، لقد كانت مجرد زلة لسان.
Sorry, it was just a slip of the tongue. Sorry, it was just a slip of the tongue.
من هو المالك؟
Who is the owner? Who is the owner?
خذ قسطا من الراحة.
Take a rest. Take a rest.
لقد كان سوء تفاهم.
It was a misunderstanding. It was a misunderstanding.
من المسؤول هنا؟
Who is responsible here? Who is responsible here? Good luck.